hello, namaste, namaskaram. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope all of you are doing great. So, in today's video, I am going to share with you guys how I created a photo space for a commercial property in Chennai. Actually, this is a restaurant in Chennai and its name is the Waterfall Restaurant. So, they wanted to create a photo space for the customers on this eve of New Year and Christmas. So, I have taken almost 7 days to complete this project because I have done it all by myself. Only at the end of the project I have taken some help from the electrician to put things together. So I'm so excited to share with you all this project, and it's one of my favorite till date. And I have also shared how I did a flower wall hanging for them in my previous video. If you guys haven't checked it out, do check out. I'll give the link in the description box below. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. For any photo space, the most important factor is the lighting. So I wanted to use these bamboo baskets as the hanging lights. I got some 10 baskets from Facebook Marketplace. I got them for 1500 rupees, which I feel is very reasonable for the quality given. I have painted them in this manner using teal color. I have used here acrylic teal color. After painting them, I have made some tassels and I have attached them in this manner. I have shown how to make tassels many times in my channel. So that's how day 1 was completed. On day 2, my husband got me this old door. So I wanted to paint it in a teal color. So first thing I'm going to do here is to sand this door. So I have taken here enamel matte paint and I have mixed some few drops of turpentine oil and I am using it as the base for this door. I am going to paint both the doors front and back using this enamel paint, and I am going to allow it to dry overnight. And that's how the day 2 was completed. I have shared lot of old furniture makeover on my channel. I'll give the links in the description box if you guys want to check them out. So it's day 3 and the paint is completely dried. Now I'm going to use the steel chalk paint. I'm going to use here dry brush technique. I will cover the entire door using this technique. So it's day 4 and we got this window customized by a carpenter. I saw a similar one on Facebook Marketplace in MDF and it was really very costly. Hence I decided to go with plywood. So I have followed the same step as I did on the door. I have applied this enamel matte paint as the base and then I am going to use dry brush technique using teal chalk paint. So that's how I have completed the door and window, and you can see there is a light difference in color between the door and window, but in that yellow lighting it was looking fine. So I'm going to further distress this window and door using this black wax. So I can apply the black wax either using a brush or a cloth. So I have shown you guys in my previous video how I made a huge flower wall hanging for this restaurant. So that I did on this day 5 and 6, and it took me 2 days as I mentioned in my previous video. We needed some extra decor items, for which we got this wine bottles from an old shop. So I started painting them. So I'll show you guys the simplest method. I have just poured some acrylic color into the bottle like this, and you can just rotate the bottle until the paint covers the entire bottle. Once the entire bottle is covered, remove the extra paint. So after completing, this is how the bottle will look, and you can see how beautiful the bottle looks. So there will be some extra paint inside the bottle, so to remove it I am just flipping the bottle like this, and I am going to place it in that manner for some 10 minutes, and you can see a lot of paint coming out. So you can see how easily we can paint the wine bottles and make them look as an attractive decor piece. So we wanted to place these decor pieces in the mezzanine floor, so we got a ladder type structure and a pallet designed by a local carpenter. The restaurant people are going to keep reusing these ladder, pallet and all the boards that we got customized. And it's day 7 and it is the installation day. So this is the space where I'm going to set up that photo space. So we wanted to first install the light. So as I told you guys, I'm taking help of electrician to install these lights. So you can see there are some PVC pipes installed above. From there we are going to hang the bamboo lights. So bamboo lights installation is completed, and you can see the space is well lit now. So now I'll place all the window and door which we painted, and also I'm going to use this huge tree which was already in the restaurant on one corner like this. So on the door and window I have used this artificial leaves and some artificial flowers for decoration purpose. I got everything in wholesale in Paris, Chennai. I'm also planning to use these bird cages along with that cake stand which I got from Facebook Marketplace beside the door. After adding LED string lights, you can see how magical the space is looking already. As the space is little big, so we wanted to put some green mat on the floor so that the space would look complete. So guys, it's time for the before and after transformation, and I'm so excited. So I told you guys I got this customized for the mezzanine floor. So let me show you guys how I have decorated this ladder and the palette. So you can see on the palette I have used few flowers, and this is a DIY which I did last year. It's a cute Santa Claus. So I have used few decor pieces here, and you can see all the wine bottles which I painted. I have placed them here along with some few flowers, and I also painted a kettle and a MDF wooden box like this. So that is how I have decorated this space. And this is the huge flower wall hanging which I shown in my last video. If you guys want to see the video, you can check for the link in the description box below. I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing it. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on that ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends.